Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'll be showing you how to make Pulehu steaks. This is a local style grilling method that's all about that smoky, charcoal, keawe flavor. Let's get this started. Here are the following ingredients. We'll start with these beautiful New York steaks. Cap and dry. This helps us get a good sear. Rub on a little oil. Then sprinkle on my seasoning mix. Hawaiian salt, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, onion powder, black pepper, and Togarashi. Press it in so it sticks. And let the steaks rest 20 to 30 minutes at room temperature. For that authentic flavor, we'll be using charcoal and keawe wood. I'm setting up a 2-zone fire. Hot side with the charcoal for searing, and a cool side with no charcoal for finishing the steaks. Start over the hot side. About 2 to 3 minutes per side, just enough to get a nice sear. Then move them to the cool side. Close the lid and let them cook until the internal temperatures hits about 130 degrees for medium rare. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, depending on thickness. Let the steaks rest for at least 5 minutes so all those juices stay inside. Slice thinly against the grain and look at that perfect pink center. And that's it, Pulehu Steaks, Hawaii style. Perfect for the beach park barbecues or weekend grill nights. If you try this, drop me a comment below and let me know how yours turned out. Enjoy this onalicious Pulehu Steaks. A hui ho!